Alright, so we're on the 4th tune. So we're going to go ahead and open that up and load this up to the Flash Pro. Data log rate, I'm going to move this a little bit faster, all the way to fast actually. So that way, let's see if my tuner is able to get better response. He said it's a little slow, so there is a data log rate, and I said it's a fast. Hopefully that makes a difference. If he says it decrease, then I'll throw back to sweet. Alright, so let's go ahead and load up the tune, and we'll wait for it to go and do its thing. This part never gets old, swear. Alright, time for some data logs. Getting that good juice, that goody. Yeah. Alright, so here we go for a drive, full tank of gas. And I just noticed we hit over 2,000 miles on this not new motor, new to me motor. I also added this air fuel ratio here because I don't think you can see it now, but before it was just like flashing and stuff. So I put that one on there so we can check out our fuel ratios. Let's go ahead and start data logging. Perfect. So we'll do some city driving and some highway driving, and then third gear pulls. So yeah, same procedures. Alright, so remember, he wants wide open throttle pulls at low RPMs. This air fuel ratio is from the Bank 1 oxygen sensor. This air fuel ratio is an individual Bosch 5-leg or 6-leg oxygen sensor. It's meant for the for the airflow, air fuel wideband. So we're just coasting. Drop to 10, 11. So we're still super rich. We're supposed to be at 12.5 is where we want to be at. It's going to be our set goal. So I'm doing a full walking throttle. So yeah, so we got some adjustments to do. Make my tuner work. Sorry Joshua. Hey bro, I appreciate everything you're doing though, bro. So still a little bright out. 6th gear, full throttle. I don't know why it only reaches to 80 right here, the throttle. It's electronic, so there's really nothing I can do. There's nothing in my floor that's blocking me. 10.6 over here, 10.9. So we're still pretty rich. He informed me that he's trying to go based off other K20Z3s fuel maps and adjusting from there. But like I told him already, bro, my shit's all custom. Sorry bro, my shit is all custom. Yeah man, we're gonna have to do some work. I gotta switch. Alright, I had to change gears real quick. Holding the camera, trying to steer, bumpy ass road. I'm gonna jump on the freeway right now. I love that. I think I scared that student driver. The teacher's like looking back and shit. Hey, guy, don't be doing that shit. Look at him. He was looking back right now. Oh well. Let's continue with our data logs. Does he know I'm trying to scoot the fuck over? Doing open throttles on this one too. Unhealthy. See, it's already affecting me. Alright, and that's the end of that data log. Let's go ahead and set ourselves up. We're at a stop sign. Going up to my parents. Same road. Set myself up. I need to be in third gear at 3,000 RPM. Alright, third gear is engaged. 3,000 RPM. It's there. Record. Let's go. Alright, let's finish that off. Do one more. Alright, let's hold it at 3,000. Data log on. Let's go ahead. 11. Let's finish that off. Send it off to him. Grab my laptop, it's in the back seat. Email it to him and wait for the revision. Sweet. Alright, so it finished successfully. Now we'll go into our data logs. And there's our data log, there's our city. And then these are our 3 pulls that we just did. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight all of these. Come on now. It's not going to work for me right now. Oh. I need to put the keyboard on. Alright, there it is. Now, save as. And this is the 4th calibration. So I'm going to go ahead and go here. Create a new folder. And we're going to name this one 4th. Put that in there. And we'll save that here. This is the first one. So I like to name these. And I would like if you guys name these for him as well. This first one, I'd like to name it 01. And then I put city and highway. I'm sure he could see which one's which by the size of it, but I'm just doing him the favor of doing that research, if it makes any sense. So we're waiting for the city and highway to finish downloading. Then it's saving into the hard drive of the laptop. Alright, and there it is. It's going to open up the next window. Are you? Alright, there it is. There's the 01. So this one I name 02, which is the second log. And then third pull 1. And then save. I'll just hit enter on the keyboard. Makes it easier. Then 03. And then third pull 2. Then 04. Third. And enter. Sweet. So there's our logs. They're all saved. Now I have them. Let me see, use the mouse. I have them saved under my documents, Flash Pro calibrations. There's the folder we just created, the 4th, and there's all of our data logs right there that I'm going to send him. Sweet, so I'll go ahead and send those to him, and by the morning I'll receive the 5th calibration, and we'll go from there. Sweet, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.